Hi everyone, let's take a look at my Robinhood account. This is my long-term investing account. I make these videos to show you how easy and rewarding it is to be an investor and increase your wealth. And it doesn't matter how much money you make, you can still take control of your own future and your own wealth by investing a little bit maybe every month. So, this Plug Power stock is basically a hydrogen energy stock. And then this Realty Income is a REIT, and it pays me monthly, which is amazing. So every month I get at least like $4, which is automatically reinvested into more stock through the program called DRIP, which is Dividend Reinvestment Program. You'll see at the very bottom in red it says Edit Dividend Reinvestment. I have it turned on, but you could always turn it off. So just a little bit about me. I am a toddler teacher. I work for a tech company in Mountain View, and I will be getting laid off in August. So my plan for right now is to make as much money as I can, save, and then buy a condo somewhere in Oregon. So until that time, I would like to take you on for a stock market journey. So here's another. This is an ETF, which is basically a bunch of stocks rolled into one thing that you can buy. They're very safe, and a lot of them have dividends. As you can see, this is the Johnson & Johnson stock. Pretty good dividend. $5.42. I can't really calculate what the percentage is, what the dividend percentage is, but I feel like it's pretty, maybe 3%. So 3% dividend yield, which is okay, So here comes the tech stocks. Microsoft, really good performing tech stock that has a dividend yield of 0.68%, which is pretty standard, and I find that the tech stocks have pretty low dividend yields, which is fine because their stock price appreciation makes up for it. So here's Cirrus Logic. I believe this is a stock related to Apple. I could be wrong. And then one of my favorite stocks, AT&T. I love AT&T. I love AT&T because of their dividend yields. And I am looking into I have 62 shares of AT&T right now, but I'm going to try to get 100 shares and see if I can figure out how to sell covered calls and make money off of selling covered calls. So yeah, maybe we'll try that soon, depending on how the stock price goes. Yeah. But as you can see, like a 6.6% dividend yield, which is pretty high. Here's another ETF. So whenever you see S&P 500, it means like it's like an ETF is like it stands for exchange traded funds, and it's basically like a bunch of stocks. If you click on it, you can see like which stocks are in it. So it's just like a big group of stocks. And then some of the ETFs have dividends, and then some of them don't. Amazon. So this is one of my worst performing tech stocks, which is, I mean, it's slightly shocking, but I guess not really, because Amazon is just so big. The company, I feel like, is just so massive that there's really not much more room for them to grow in terms of, insane profits. So here we go. Here is Facebook. As you can see, there's a little notice that it was volatile because it went up 20% in one day, which I bet you come tomorrow, Monday, it is going to go down. I could be wrong, but usually, if you see it 20% upward move on a stock, usually the next day it goes down. Apple, one of my other favorite tech stocks, 52% total return. I have 14.6 shares, and you can see that a pretty good percentage of my portfolio is Apple stock, because it's freaking awesome. Target, Starbucks, a company I used to work for. And just so you know, if you are a part-time worker at Starbucks, you can actually earn their stock. They'll give it to you. I think you have to work there for a certain amount of time, and you have to wait for the stock to vest. But in my opinion, it's really worth it. Yeah. Anyway, if you've made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for listening to me rants. Yeah, so currently I live in East Palo Alto in California, Bay Area. Like I said, I work as a Tyler teacher, but I am getting laid off in August. So I am going to savor these next couple months and continue on my journey of investing and building wealth. And soon I will be, condo shopping and looking for places to live. And there is a possibility that I might do like a European travel thing in August when I get laid off, but it's going to depend on if I can afford it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and don't be shy. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.